Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now Templeton Mutual Fund, account Franklin India's Smaller Companies Fund, has bought 3 lakh shares of an employment services company at Rs 2,150. Net Consultants LLP and HR Offshoring Ventures Private Limited were the sellers with 85,483 and 1,70,967 shares sold at the same price. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Team Lease Services Limited, which is available at 2150.20 and the symbol for it is TEAMLEASE. Team Lease Services Limited is an India-based company engaged in employment activities. The company operates as a temporary staffing company and provides human resource services to various industries. Its segments include staffing operations, recruitment operations and training operations. Now the 1-year chart would reveal that this company has been on a beautiful uptrend, and of late it seems to be forming a rounding bottom formation, although the confirmation is still far away. The market cap of the company is 3,676.15 crores, which means the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 49.30, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 43.61, which is cheaper compared to the industry P of 64.86. The book value of the company is 216.41, translating into a very expensive price to book ratio of 9.94. The company does not pay out any dividends, and the promoter holding here is below average at 43.14. The 52-week high for the company is 2543.70, whereas the 52-week low is 970.35. Now friends, the market is right now in a state which seems to be undecided whether it will go up or down, and there is no indication to believe that this company will swim against the tide. So friends, please do your own research and don't just jump in. Always consult a financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information that you ever see on this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.